I think today we played well, and we considered an early goal, which at least I can say destabilized us a bit, and then we didn't settle from there. In the midfield, I think we were not combative enough. We were not winning our duels. Then today I expected that we are going to be sharp on the flanks, yeah, especially with Cliff and then with Mishiri. But I think the opponent did a very good job. They really locked us. Then we tried to change things by bringing Mazembe. We saw some flashes, but it didn't work. It was not good enough. We were desperate. We showed some desperation, especially we started now playing the long balls, and it was not really helping the team, especially in the second half. So it's only for my team. Yeah, we just, even if we are down, we just have to calm down. So we didn't calm at all when we in the second half, where I believe that we could have equalized and maybe even played better. But it's not a big excuse. The last 2 weeks we've been having problems. I mean sickness and injuries, like Matthew and Msaga. I just forced them today. They had to play through painkillers, and they tried, but it was not enough for us. So it's something that we've been battling, and even if Masai also was not 100% fit, Raila was not 100% fit. So also these are the things that maybe contributed for us, maybe not getting a positive result.
Coach, are you under pressure?
No, I'm not under pressure. I've been in more pressure like this, but we are really fighting hard to get our first win. Then this will give the boys a lot of confidence. And believe you me, after 18 years, this was our first time playing here. It comes with a pressure. My players are human beings. It comes with a pressure, and you could see it from the word go. But our fans have to come for matches, yeah, because we are really expecting that they will push us through.
Fans are asking why is it that after a wonderful pre-season, are taking more than 4 games before the
Sorry.
fans who are impatient asking why after a wonderful pre-season,
Yeah.
are taking more than 4 games to register the first name.
No. I think, as I've told you, the slow start is because of maybe the injuries that I'm saying. But this is not an excuse. And I believe if we are fully fit, then I believe we can, we will post positive results. These are only 4 games, and this was our first game playing at home. We still have more games. I'm not under any pressure. My players are not under any pressure. But the pressure we are in is to win. Whatever fans say, we respect. But as Shabana, technical bench, and the players, we know what we want and we know what we are doing.
The game was nice, very tough. Shabana is a well-drilled team, and I think losing doesn't mean that team is weak. Shabana is strong, but also we have not won for the last 5 matches. We are determined to win this game so that we need now more consistency. And I've been building the team. I reshuffled the whole team this year. So every player, we have new players. Only captain is old, but the rest are new players. This young boy came from Malawi. So we have organized the team now. The team is coming up very strongly, and I'm happy for today. And also mental strength. We are trying to build mental strength because playing away is not easy. In front of the crowd like this, congratulations to my boys.
Probably your next 2 matches will be.
No, we need that progress, stability in the team. We have started. So we cannot be sure what next, but we want to maintain what we have, and we have to start where we left.
Thank you. My name is Eric. I'm a stakeholder, Matatu Owners Association Chairman Kisi. Now our coach is actually letting us down. The management has really invested in players, but the coach is actually the one who is letting us down. So we are calling the management. Our second match, we will not want to lose in Gusii Stadium. This must be taken by the management, vile tumeisema. We call a spade a spade. If the coach will not win the second match, we will force the management to sack him. This is an ultimatum. Umeona vile watu wametoka. Our supporters have gone heads down. Yeah? Sofapaka was a team that is so down in the league. Now it's up. We are second last, and the management has really invested. The supporters we have really invested. We can't accept this. We will not accept this at all, at all. We lost against Mara. Mara is a team from the NSL. How do you lose to a team from the NSL? Now we are losing to a last tier team. How can that happen? We are not happy. As supporters, we are not happy, and we are giving the coach his last chance. The management, Ijue, this is our last. They have a last chance. I don't accept another loss in Goose Stadium. We will not accept.
My name is Otieno. I'm a fan, Shabana fan, and this is what I have to say as a fan. I pray that we give coaches some humble time, because on the side of Sofapaka, this is their 5th game, first win. So let us not conclude matters. Let us give the coach humble time. Let us respect him, and let us work with the management and the system that Shabana is running on. We should not, as fans, give one person pressure because of 4 games, 0 wins. We should be humble, and we should have patience. Thank you very much.
Yes, mimi kwa majina naitwa Obed. Mimi ni fan wa Shabana. Mimi kitu naweza sema huyu kocha cha azidi sana. Kuzi unaweza chezaje game 4, hauna hata first 11. Hauna pattern unacheza. Una train nini sasa? Kama unaweza anza ball humalizi, no shot on target. Unataka tukubembeleze, una train nini? Huko chacha aende. Mimi siongei chochote, aenda akisonga.